It's breaking.
Alright, let him hold it. It's his cookie. It's his cookie. Let him have it. Sarah's up here.
Where's your bib, buddy?
There we go. I got part of my cookie.
I took it off because it was covered in wash.
Maybe you're gonna have to help. He is gonna have it.
Alright, it's his.
He'll choke on it.
You want the camera set.
You'll choke on it, buddy.
It would have been better, bigger, but someone was eating it.
I don't know how much he's got in his hand.
Got chocolate on his fingers. Like, hey, where did my cookie go? You guys are such a tease.
Yeah, but they can't. See, you can't go by this because he was taking medicine.
Does he got more in there? Hold on, I gotta get the chocolate off the floor. Take a piece. Take a piece. No, the top piece.
If I let him soften it, he won't choke on it, right?
See, this could be all due.
I don't think he'll choke on it.
He will.
That's why I'm.
These levels are going to be off because he was on that medicine. Your age drop.
Did you get his picture taken real good with it?